percentage. I've been here for a minute. Ay, playing games with me, shawty, this is not no scrimmage. Swear that I did it. I do it, I does it.
What's up? I'm back on the Tube TV, back on the Tube side, and right now XXX is exposing. Well, not necessarily exposing, but exposing at the same time. We saw Takeoff taking off on the steps. That was a great pun right there. Okay, back to the situation. Okay, so we saw Takeoff take it off up the stairs, and X and his niggas screaming, "Scary ass bitch, scary pussy, pussy, pow, pow." Yeah, all that unnecessary shit. And that's when Kodak. I mean, what Kodak? What? Oh, that's when X had posted on his Instagram a picture of Cardi B in her like last year photos, talking about that he be bumping to Bodak Orange, like being mad petty, you know what I'm saying? And I dig that. I like petty people. But still, you need to cut it before they jump your ass again, my nigga. And the Tube side is out. Like, damn, here's the clip.
Pussy ass look off running. Pussy shit running. This shit running. Yeah,